We'll guide you through how to change the date and time on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've gone and traveled, so you're in a different time zone, or there's another reason why you want to go and change it. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure you watch this full guide, and by the end of it, you're going to go and have a different date and time, and you can go and set it to your liking. So to go and get started, we need to go and head to the settings. So you can go and swipe up like so. Now what you need to do is go and swipe across here and go and find the settings app. Alternatively, you can always go and search at the top. Open it up like so. Now in here, you want to go and scroll down. And we're looking for the option for general management. So go and find it and go and tap on it like so. And in here, you can go and find date and time. If you struggle to go and find it, you can always use the search in the top. Tap on it and you can go and type in date or time, and then we should be able to get straight to the setting if you struggle to find it. At the moment, I've got the automatic date and time turned on. You could consider turning that on if you want it to be automatic. Otherwise, we can have that turned off and we can press set date. Select the date, press done. Then you can go and press set time, drag, and you can go and choose the time you want and press done. That's it. Now you'll go and see it's now changed to what we went and set it to. It's that simple. If you found this useful and want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day. If you have any suggestions for videos, feel free to put them down below. I look forward to checking them out. I look forward to helping you in the next guide whenever we can help you.